In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for meeting agendas, whether it's dashboard, doc, or tasks. We'll focus on a simple, reliable workflow that starts with a meeting template and ends with a clean dashboard your whole team can use. Even if you prefer docs or tasks for agendas, the discovery process is the same, so this will set you up either way. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to My Workspace. From there, open the project where you want your meeting resources to live. If you run multiple recurring meetings, choose the project that already holds your team's work so everything stays connected. In the project header, click the three dots to open the options menu and select templates. This is where we'll pull in a ready-made meeting framework that saves a ton of setup time. Choose Browse Templates to open the library, then search for Team Meeting. You'll see a template called Team Meeting Management. Open it to review what's included, then select Use Template. Before you apply it, give it a clear name so it's obvious at a glance. For example, include the team name and the meeting cadence. This helps with consistency and makes it easier to reuse later. With the template in place, let's build the view your team will love using live during the call. Click Create and choose Dashboard. When the dashboard options appear, select Dashboard again to proceed. From the available layouts, pick Simple Dashboard. This gives you a clean starting point without clutter, ideal for agendas, notes, action items, and quick metrics. Next, choose the correct team space. This ensures the right people have access and it keeps your widgets filtered to the work that matters for this group. Confirm by clicking Create Dashboard. Once it opens, rename the dashboard to match the meeting. A good naming convention might include the team, the meeting type, and whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Clear names make onboarding new teammates effortless and keep your left-hand navigation tidy. At this point, you have a templated meeting structure and a dashboard that can surface everything in one place. The simple dashboard layout typically loads with a few standard widgets that you can tailor later to show agenda items, active tasks, decisions, and follow-ups. If your team prefers docs for longer notes or tasks for structured action items, you've already laid the groundwork with the meeting template you imported, and you can link those into the dashboard for quick reference. That's it. You've set up a consistent, reusable meeting system in ClickUp using a template and a simple dashboard, ready to drive focused, accountable meetings every time.